Okay, chapter 3, lesson 3, it says problem solving investigation. Okay, learn the strategy. And so, for example, we need to estimate or exact answer. So look at the example that they have. It says, learn the strategy. To celebrate Arbor Day or Tree Day, Breda School District planted trees. The high school students planted 1,536 trees. The elementary students planted 1,380 trees. About how many? So there's that key word, about how many. So what am I going to do? Round. I'm going to round first, right? And then subtract. About how many more trees did the high school students plant? First, we need to understand the problem. So, the high school students planted how many trees? How many trees did they plant? The high school students, how many? 536. That's what we know. And how many, the elementary students planted how many trees?
1,380.
1,380. And we also need to, it says, what do we need to find about how many trees, how many more trees what students, high school or elementary students planted? High school. So about how many more trees the high school students planted. So now we're ready to do our plan. An exact answer is not needed. I will estimate. And estimate means I need to do what first again? Round. Okay, so it looks like they're rounding to the nearest hundreds right there. So they took 1,536, rounded to the nearest hundred. What number's in the hundreds place? 5. See, so I'm not working with the 1 yet. Looking to the right, what does the 3 say? So the 5 stays the same, and replace the 3 and the 6 with? Zeros. So I got 1,500. Then they took 1,380, and again, rounded to the nearest hundred. What number's in the hundreds place?
3.
3. Am I working with the 1 yet? No, I'm going to put it right here so I can subtract. So looking to the right, what does 5 say? What does the 8 tell you to do to the 3? Okay, so the 8 tells you need to add 1 to the hundreds place. So what's 1 plus 3? 4. And replace the 8 and the other 0. Replace it with 0. Then I can subtract. And this is what they did. They subtracted right there. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then also 1 minus 1 is 0. Sorry, whoops. Sorry. Whoa. Not 4. It's 1. So my answer is 100. Sorry about that. So when it says check, does your answer make sense? Explain. Well, this is what they have. Yes, then the simple answer is that if I do the reverse operation, that's what they did. So they did the reverse operation. So instead, they went 1,500 minus 1,400 equals 100. So then what they did was they went 1,400 plus 100. That should equal 1,500, right? 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is also 0. 4 plus 1 is? 4 plus 1? 5. We're doing the inverse operation, the opposite. Plus, you see the little plus in right there? 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. So you're right. This matches the 1,500. Okay, so this is how I would check. I would check by doing the inverse operation. If I worked out the problem using subtraction, in order to check my answer, I could do the opposite and do addition.